Our research topic of Evidence 3 is overpopulation in China. The team members are María Luisa Barranco, Violeta Becerril, Greta Saboritz, and Andrés Vizcaya.
As our introduction, we want to define our population as a value judgment reflecting an observation or a conviction that an environment or a territory is unable adequately to support its present population. In short, overpopulation is a situation where a country contains more people than its existing resources and the levels of technology can support. China has the highest population in the world, over 1,400,000 of millions of people. China have economic and social problems such as pollution, poverty, health inequality, again, unemployment, and housing shortage. This topic is important because demography is the statistical description and analysis of human population. It refers to ascertaining the numbers and distribution of people, changes in the numbers and distribution of people over time, age and sex composition, birth and death rates among various quantities of populations. Study of population seeks to discover the causes and consequences of population changes. The changes in population take place primarily due to changes in births, deaths, and migrations, which are referred to as the three components of population change. As an interplay of these three components, one looks at the number of total persons, which is usually referred to as size, the characteristics of population called composition, and where are these people located, labeled as distribution of population. Prior to the discussion of significance of the study of population, it seems pertinent to explain some of the basic concepts likely to be used in this course.
A key term that is important to understanding the concept of population is carrying capacity. It is the maximum population size that the environment can support or sustain without significant negative impact to the given population that the environment. Carrying capacity is a concept that have got to do with the amount of resources a land have, because every land have its own carrying capacity. There is a population ceiling for every land. It is the limit on population size that is imposed by the carrying capacity. No limits on resources. The exponential growth rate which reach its ceiling and the level of and the population stabilize.
The hypothesis is that in China, the overpopulation is causing social problems like homeless people, stress, crime, and also have economic problems.
The overpopulation is the cause of evolution of a country. China advanced in so many ways, like social, economic, and political. The improvement of medicine is an example of the causes of overpopulation, but also an important advance of the country. As China increasingly becomes the world's leading superpower, its consumption and emission are unlikely to decline in the near or immediate future, so the issue probably will never be solved. Although in the future there will be more countries like China, or they would be worse than China. China is currently undergoing the most rapid case of overpopulation and urbanization any country has ever seen. And to point it out, China's overpopulation has slowed a lot more. It seems still causing trouble in the country.
And now I will put a fragment of the one we interviewed.
Function of natural resources. This means less food and water, because the earth can only provide a limited amount of these resources. Another is the degradation of the environment and its consequence, rising pollution.
When the woman spoke in the audio about the situation she and a lot of other people are living, it really opens your mind and you try to understand the concept about overpopulation in China. Because even if we have overpopulation in Mexico, we still can't compare our situation to theirs because we don't have as many more as they have of people. So when we hear the audio, we start to think what is life in there and how much poverty they have and how hard it is to find a job.
And another thing that is important to mention that we have to do is to save the planet, to take care of it. And there is an image of a movie that explains the overpopulation and the effects. That is what happens Monday, that you only have one kid, and if you have more, they kill them.